last year at the Monroe County Fair. We're down to just a handful of cars and vans. Pick your favorite driver. The 17 is hanging on by a thread, giving it its all. Look at the 712 of Dylan Chronister. And laying down a big hit is the 11. All right, it looks like we got some hard hitters out there. We also looks like we got some sandbaggers out here. Let's put your hands together for the hard hitters, ladies and gentlemen. Robert Schoecker and the 18W are making a Van Dahl sandwich over there. That 712 car ain't done yet. Look at that 73 out there. That thing's still clean as a whistle. All right, it looks like we're down to our final four. Pick your favorite driver, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
That's a lot of smoke. Let's go. Oh!
Red flag! Red flag! We are back under green and the Van Dahls waste no time. We're down to 3 drivers, ladies and gentlemen. How many like the number 11? How many like the 73? Who likes the Van Dahl? All right, who's it gonna be? Jody Neal in the 73 needs to make contact. The 73 on the clock must make contact. Jody Neal needs to make contact. You are on the clock.
Oh, they have to make contact first.
You gotta hit somebody.
Hit somebody, dude!
First time driver, ladies and gentlemen. Van Dahl's on the move on the 73. Van Dahl's taking down the 73. Here comes the 67. He's hit by the number 11 machine on the 73. The hard hitters couldn't find her. She's in a stall, trying to get it fired back up. We may be down to our 2 finishers, first and second, ladies and gentlemen. The 73 on the clock.
I think 72. Yeah, he's got a rip his stick.
All